Fifth-generation warfare, the convergence of technology and conflict. Fifth-generation warfare is a concept that is still in its infancy, yet its implications for the future of conflict are both intriguing and potentially transformative. While not yet fully defined, this emerging form of warfare is closely tied to the rapid advancement of technology and the increasing role of the digital realm in shaping global dynamics. Emergence of fifth-generation warfare. As our world becomes more interconnected and reliant on technology, the traditional boundaries between physical and virtual domains are eroding. Fifth-generation warfare represents the fusion of technological capabilities with traditional and unconventional methods of conflict. It is fueled by the widespread use of cyberspace, artificial intelligence, AI, autonomous systems, and information warfare. Key characteristics. Number 1. Information warfare and cyber attacks. One hallmark of fifth-generation warfare is the strategic use of information as a weapon. This involves not only influencing public opinion and perceptions but also launching cyber attacks to disrupt critical infrastructure, communication networks, and even military command and control systems. Number 2. Cyber capabilities. Cyber operations play a significant role in fifth-generation warfare. Nation-states and non-state actors alike can employ sophisticated cyber tools to infiltrate, disrupt, and undermine the operations of adversaries. Number 3. Artificial intelligence and autonomous systems. The integration of AI and autonomous systems introduces new dimensions to conflict. AI can enhance decision-making processes, optimize resource allocation, and even control unmanned military assets. Number 4. Space and hybrid warfare. Fifth-generation warfare extends beyond Earth's surface, potentially involving space-based assets and capabilities. The use of space for communication, surveillance, and navigation introduces a new layer of complexity to modern conflict. Number 5. Blurring of physical and virtual domains. This form of warfare blurs the lines between the physical and virtual worlds. Actions taken in cyberspace can have tangible and far-reaching effects in the real world, and vice versa. Challenges and implications. Fifth-generation warfare presents novel challenges and ethical considerations. The ability to exploit vulnerabilities in digital systems and manipulate information requires robust cybersecurity measures and international norms. The asymmetric nature of cyber capabilities allows smaller actors to challenge larger ones, potentially leading to an unpredictable and unstable global landscape. Future scenarios. While fifth-generation warfare is largely speculative, potential scenarios include state-sponsored cyber campaigns targeting critical infrastructure, the deployment of autonomous weapons in conflict zones, and the use of AI-driven disinformation to manipulate public sentiment. Adapting to the future. Preparing for fifth-generation warfare requires an agile approach to defense and diplomacy. Nations must invest in cyber resilience, develop advanced AI capabilities, and establish international norms for responsible behavior in cyberspace. Collaboration between governments, academia, and the private sector is essential to navigate the complexities of this evolving form of conflict. Conclusion. Fifth-generation warfare represents a paradigm shift in the way we think about conflict. The convergence of emerging technologies with traditional methods of warfare introduces unprecedented challenges and opportunities. As the world continues to evolve in the digital age, understanding and addressing the implications of fifth-generation warfare will be crucial for maintaining global stability and security.